Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Emily Taylor, a licensed audiologist, better known as Dr. Earwax, and I developed an ear cleaning kit because the most common question I get asked online and in my office is, how do I safely clean my ears at home? And I always respond with the same question: do you own an ear camera? When I would go to suggest a camera and a full ear cleaning kit to people, it didn't exist. So I went on the hunt to find the camera that I found to be the safest on the market, along with the products that I would recommend for at-home use. My kit includes an ear camera, wax softening drops, and a syringe. This is the ear camera I selected because it closely resembles the one that I use in my office, and I find that it is the safest and easiest to use. Wax softening drops are a really important part of this process because hard wax, we have to use wax softening drops to remove it comfortably. Next, I included a syringe. Most of the kits that I saw online had a bulb syringe. Those can get moldy. These are extremely easy to clean and very gentle to use. When I went to develop the Dr. Earwax Otoscope earwax removal kit, I knew it needed to be super user-friendly. So I want to go through the different steps with you now so that you feel really comfortable when you go to do this at home by yourself. First, you're going to grab your otoscope. Before you go to put this in your ear, make sure you put a speculum on it. This is going to prevent the camera from going too far in your ear, which could cause a little bit of pain. Download the Dr. Earwax app on your phone, connect the two, and then you will be able to easily look in. We are trying to visualize your eardrum. Here's what mine looks like. If you see your eardrum, you can stop, you're all done. If you see earwax, we're going to move into now how to get that earwax out safely. Before doing the following steps, you want to take the pamphlet out of the kit and read over it just to make sure there are no contraindications or reasons you shouldn't be doing this by yourself at home. And when in doubt, always just call an audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat physician. We are going to take the wax softening drops and apply them to the ear with the wax. You're going to want to tilt your head so that the wax ear is facing upwards and put about 5 drops of this solution in your ear. Sit like this for about 15 minutes and then have a paper towel ready so that when you tilt your head back, you have something clean to catch the debris on. You'll go like this and some of the liquid might come out. It is extremely normal to feel like your ear is more clogged now than when you started. That's why we're going to move to the syringe. Before you use this, prepare a bowl of water. The water should be lukewarm in temperature. If it's too hot or too cold, it can induce dizziness. So it's very important that we have lukewarm temperatured water. Take the syringe, fill it up with the water, and then tilt your ear downwards, either over a bowl or a sink. You're going to gently apply the water into your ear and flush out the debris. After you've done it a few times, take your camera and take a look in there and see if you've made progress. Don't expect this to all work in one round. You might have to do this a few times in one day. I hope you found this kit easy to use, and I encourage you to video the process while you're doing it and send me your footage to my Dr. Earwax page on Instagram or TikTok.